Massive Plays, Pelton here, and we are on to part 4 of building my Faceless YouTube channel using AI. So basically my idea was create a YouTube channel that goes through like the visions of the Bible, you know, Ezekiel, Daniel, Revelations, and use AI to generate these visions in kind of a cinematic way. So you kind of watch these visions. This is one of the first things I thought of when AI generation first came out, is like, oh man, Revelation would be so cool if we could see it. And these Faceless YouTube channels are very big right now. I have a friend making $10,000 a month from a Faceless YouTube channel he made, where he just AI generated videos. You know, there's ASMR videos. I did a video on that, you know, different stories, things like that. So kind of walking through how difficult is it to make these Faceless AI generated videos. And in parts 1, 2, and 3, this is part 4. So this is quite a journey we have going on. But I walked through making the trailer. I walked through making vision from Ezekiel. And honestly, it's been a lot of work. It's been very, very difficult. This trailer, I mean, it turned out pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with it, but it took me like 8 hours to make. It took me all day. And I mentioned to you that I was looking for an easy button. Where's the AI way to make these AI generated videos? And then I finally have found it. I'm going to show you, I generated this 14-minute video with one AI prompt. Saved me 8 hours.
The Babylonian exile camp sprawls.
So this is Ezekiel 37, and I put one prompt into this AI tool and got a 14-minute video out. I mean, this is like dream come true if you want to make a Faceless YouTube channel. And honestly, it's pretty good. I'm not going to show you the whole video. I'll leave a link for you to watch the whole video. I'm not going to sit here for 14 minutes.
Under a harsh sun.
There's a narrator.
Scant refuge in the...
And again, I did no editing on this. I just put in one prompt. It was basically the text from Ezekiel 37.
Amidst the despair,
there's our Ezekiel character.
His brow furrowed, a solitary figure lost in contemplative silence, guided by the Lord into a valley.
There's Ezekiel again.
Silence reigns over sun-baked earth and scattered bones, and the Lord into a valley of death.
There's Ezekiel again.
Over sun-baked earth and scattered bones. The sun carrying the pungent scent of dust.
There's our bones. There's Ezekiel again. Ezekiel again. It's nice they keep the character consistency. That's one cool. That's pretty good there.
In a vision, Ezekiel beholds amidst the desolation, feeling the wind resonates. The Lord stands at open, army awakening in the valley of force. The skeletons rise, joints creaking and protesting, a sea of faces turn towards him. The Ezekiel balance, filling the you will know, the solemn in reality. Dust encounter, the skeletal remains of a long dead. The skeletons rise, joints creaking and protesting as they push themselves up from their dusty grave.
There we got some bones. There's our army of bones in Ezekiel 37.
Ants of humanity players in the ether against the dusty horizon.
So, and it turned out pretty well. Now, I could have put more time into it. I'll show you here in a minute. I could have made it even better. But again, I was just seeing how easy could we make this happen. So this tool that I want to talk about is called MagicLight AI. And as far as generating like AI stories, this is the best tool that I've found up to this point. And they just did an upgrade. They got Gemini 3 in there. They got Nano 2.0 in there. So it even gets better. That's the great thing about these AI tools, is they are the worst they're going to be right now. Okay, they're only getting better, and they're getting better very rapidly. But one thing they do great is character consistency. So these are like public characters, but you can see I uploaded my Ezekiel as a character, and then it keeps him the same in every scene. That's something AI's never been good at, but this character consistency is really improved. It's doing great now. And it's really great for kids' stories too. Your kids will get a kick out of this. Again, you just come in, you could upload a picture of your kid, or you can kind of just describe him. So I used Gemini to put together a 1-minute cinematic kids superhero story. It talked about my son Hayden, put him in here. So you can do it 16:9 if you're wanting like a normal YouTube video. You can do 9:16 if you're wanting YouTube shorts. I think this is a great tool for creating shorts too. You can choose the model, and again, Gemini 3 leading the pack right now. When you're doing a story, you know, you have a narrator. You can choose the voice for the narrator.
Life was like a box of chocolates.
Tim.
Never know what
you choose what background music that you want for your story. So, and then you can preview the storyboard. So you can't just generate it like, hey, just go ahead and do what you're going to do. or you can kind of get a storyboard where if you want to go more scene by scene and say, actually, for this scene, you need to change it to this. So it took the prompt that I made and it created, hey, we're going to do 12 storyboards for this. And again, I could have uploaded a picture of my son if I wanted. Hayden's at a science fair. He can slow time. A bot malfunctions, spins wildly towards the kids. Hayden activates his power. The world turns blue. Everyone freezes. He moves the kid to safety, presses the emergency stop on the robot. Time resumes, and everybody's safe, and he's a hero. Okay, that was basically the story. And again, you could go one by one and change, like, oh, actually, I don't want that scene to do that. I want to do this. I want to use this image. So, and you can do static images, or you can hit animate, and then it will make all of these images animated. But once you're done, this is one I did in comic book style. And again, I kind of just let it do its own thing. I could have gone scene by scene and edited it a little bit better. But my kids love it. I made a story about warriors' cats. My daughter's really into that, so I made a story about warriors' cats. It keeps the character consistency through the whole video. And again, we're going one prompt into these 14-minute videos. I mean, this is crazy. This is what I've been looking for. So, and of course, we got the Ezekiel 37 vision, which if I was going to do this for real, again, I would go through scene by scene and maybe fix it like he's wearing more modern clothes there. I'd go into that scene and say, hey, don't wear modern clothes. But I reached out to Mose, the founder of MagicLight, because I just loved this so much. And they're doing a big Christmas sale, 50% off. So if you're wanting to start a Faceless YouTube channel, now is the time to do that. And I actually have 4 free memberships to give away. So click the link down below, sign up for a free account, come back, comment magic down below, and I'll pick some winners to get these free memberships. So, and let me know down below who's going to start their own Faceless YouTube channel. Who's interested in doing that? Also in our AI Income Builders Club, that's a school group I have where I kind of help people start these AI side hustles. We do a call every Friday, and then we have a blueprint every Monday. I'm going to do a blueprint for creating a Faceless YouTube channel. So hop in there. And maybe if you want it for free, comment down below, hey, give me that blueprint. I'll give it to you. And then I'll leave a link to this Bones video. Go check it out. Please hit like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the Throne Room channel. I'm up to 53 subscribers, so well on my way to that 10K a month. But shout out to Magic AI for making something so cool. And thank you guys for watching. I love what I do. I love being able to just check out these tools all day and just see what AI is doing to, make tasks that we do easier. If I had made this 14-minute Ezekiel video in Mid-Journey animating the images, it would have taken me like a month. It would have taken me 2 hours a day for a month. But again, it took me about 15 seconds with Magic AI, MagicLight. So appreciate you guys very much. God bless you all. Links all down below, and we'll talk to you later.